This video will provide 9 practical suggestions for empowering others. The first is, articulate a clear vision and SMART goals. You want to have a picture of what your final outcome looks like and be able to share it with your team. With that, you'll need to provide specific actions to achieve that goal, and your goals will need to be SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. The second suggestion is to foster personal mastery experiences. When developing someone for his or her next role, you want to take on the larger tasks and then break them down into smaller parts or individual tasks. As mastery with these tasks grow, celebrate the small wins, provide constructive feedback along the way, and increase responsibility. Then, you want to model successful behaviors. As a manager, you have to successfully complete projects if you want your employees to do so as well. Provide resources to lean on for questions, and if possible, provide a mentor for your employee. Another suggestion is to provide support. Whether you are specifically empowering others or not, you should be encouraging your employees and reassuring them along the way. As they provide more quality work, you can supervise less closely as a manager. Of course, continue to provide guidance to maintain your employees' confidence and ensure the ideal outcome is achieved. You can also arouse positive emotions. The more your employees can build a cohesive working environment, the more likely you are as a manager to be successful and enjoy your work. This doesn't mean that when you're in a negative situation or if one arises, that you don't address it. It means you nip it in the bud immediately so it doesn't foster itself and continue to maintain a fair environment. Send your employees thank yous for a job well done or for staying late to help a customer. You can also provide information. When introducing a new project, share what the end goal looks like. Then, address how you'll break it down into smaller components and timelines. Introduce your employees to SMEs, subject matter experts in other areas, not only to network, but to build positive working relationships. Share how what your employees will do will impact customers, suppliers, vendors, and other internal customers. Be sure they are equipped with as much information so they can feel they can be successful. These are the last 3 suggestions for empowering others. Provide resources. Be sure to have your T&D lined up. Training is for employees who haven't experienced this type of work before, and development is for those with minimal experience and are looking to grow their skills. Be sure to provide the right amount of time for this to ensure your project doesn't fall behind. Connect to outcomes. As a manager, if you have a daily or weekly scorecard or burn down chart that shows progress and the accomplishments of your employees, everyone will consistently be reminded of the end goal and visually see the progress to reach it. Create confidence. As a manager, you should be objective, fair, reliable, and consistent. You should have the personal mastery over the subject matter or participate in the training with your employees. Show your team you are confident in their work, allow them to create some of their own deadlines, and run update meetings. While this wasn't a comprehensive list of everything you can do to empower others, it does provide some guidance applicable to various situations. As a manager, your ability to empower others increases your opportunity to delegate tasks. This means you can take on increased responsibility and grow your own skill set. Your expectations should align with your behavior. Asking someone to do something for you that you don't do won't look favorably upon you. Lastly, don't be afraid to empower your employees. You hired them because you thought they were a good fit, with the right skills and qualifications. Now it's your turn to develop their skills. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.